Caleb, what's up, man? Trying to pick a coconut? They're trying to pick a coconut. Now, it's quite windy, folks. It's very windy. The beach is right here. There's a coconut tree right here. Shade tree right there. Again, Chuck? Oh, folks, it's quite windy this day, eh? Look at it. Very, very windy. Holy camera. How is it? Good? Windy, folks, it's windy! Okay, folks, so we harvested the coconut. This is the jelly right here. Look at it, folks. Wow, lovely jiggly jelly. We have a red sea drink, soft drink. We're gonna put some of this. So we kind of, what we did, we kind of open it and take out the carbo, how do you call it again? The carbonation from it. We have condensed milk, blender, and we have some coconut water here. It's a little bit whitey because the jelly was in it, right? So we're going to put some coconut water first into the jug. Alright. Next ingredients, we're going to put some red soft drink, not much. Remember, coconut water is already sweet, right? Good. Some jiggly coconut jelly. Look at it. Wow. Some jiggly coconut jelly. And Nestle condensed milk. Maybe about two tablespoons. Yeah. That should be good enough. My beverage. Alright, quiet. Alright, time to blend up these ingredients. go. So now you put get a glass with some ice. So you serve chill and you pour the mixture in, man. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that, folks. Wow. You focus on you. Pause. Refreshing, folks.